Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to decorate, for the first time in quite a while, my journal, which is the Big Happy Planner horizontal layout. This will be for the week of July 3rd through the 9th. I have not used this planner, or I have not done any journaling in quite some time. May was very busy for me, so yeah, June just kind of like flew by. And so here we are in July, and I'm going to try to use it again. So I'm going to use Boho Summer 2. These are new stickers that actually released in June, but I have not used them yet. So these are available in my shop. I think I'm going to use the kit as well. I also want to use some new summer quotes, so Summer 3, and then I thought maybe I'd try to put some green washi in this spread as well. So let's just see kind of what we can get done here. And I'm not sure actually if I want to put any kind of boxes, so I may not even use the kit at all. I kind of want to be able to journal a lot, so I'm thinking I may just kind of decorate around the spread and make it very simple and just put a quote or two in here. So why don't we start maybe with this big sticker. So this is my big sticker sheet. Now, I'm not going to white out any lines or anything. I've kind of just, like I've said in the last few videos, I've kind of gotten over that. I used to be like really particular about lines behind my stickers, and now that I've actually tried to get away from it, now they're not really bothering me like they used to. So we're going to just kind of see what we can do and not white out any lines. And I do love my clear stickers, so we're going to stick with the clear stickers and not white out any lines. And I just kind of want to decorate this notes section down here, and then I'm going to put a quote down here. And I am going to probably, like I said, use that Summer 3 quotes, because this is going to be like a summery spread. I do apologize for the AC unit running in the background. I cannot not use it right now. It's just, I said on my last video, I'm filming this on Sunday, July 2nd, and our heat index is like 111, I think. There's a heat advisory. Or I don't know, is it the heat index or something that's like 11? The UV index is 11. So it's like super hot here today, and I've got to get these filmed, so y'all just bear with me probably through the summertime until it calms down some. Alright, so now, which quote do I want to use? Summer 11. I always like to put my quotes like inside of my florals. I don't know why, that's just something that I'm really enjoying doing, is just kind of putting my quotes down mixed in my florals. So that's what I'm going to continue doing. If you guys, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, if you guys are not on my website or have not been to my website and signed up down at the bottom of the homepage to receive emails, you're going to want to do that, because this video should be airing Monday, July 3rd, and you're going to get, if you have signed up on my website for emails, you're going to get an amazing 40% off coupon to use on Tuesday, July 4th. So you need to be signed up, because that email is going to go out Monday night. So make sure you're signed up for emails over there. Okay, now let's just, I think I'm just going to do bottom corner, top corner. I think that's where we're going to stand right now for as far as decorating goes, because like I said, I kind of want to be able to write a lot. I mentioned in my last video, the video that aired yesterday, that I am on a new blood pressure medication because, you know, I'm not getting any younger, and I'm just extremely exhausted. So today I started it Wednesday night. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is day 5, and it's just really just kicking in to where I think I could sleep for about a month. So I don't sound like my normal perky self, and that's just because I am not feeling very perky. Like, I could go to bed right now and sleep till tomorrow, even though I've only been up a few hours because I slept until 1 o'clock today. So I don't like that. I've got to, I mentioned in that video yesterday that if you guys have any tips on like natural ways to lower blood pressure, my blood pressure usually runs mid 140s over mid 80s, upper 80s. So it's not like stroke level, but it's enough that I need to start getting it or keeping it under control so that I'm not ruining my kidneys over time. So if you guys have any like natural remedies, supplements that I could take besides, you know, laying off the salt, I would really appreciate some help and some insight, because I am just like really struggling over here. I already struggle with fatigue, period. That's just my life. But this is really just, I can't do this because I won't be able to function and run my business like I'm supposed to if I keep on like this. So I don't know. Any kind of tips or insight is greatly appreciated in the comments, or you can even send me a DM on Instagram or Facebook. Send me an email. I don't care. Just let me know what your tips are, because your girl is struggling over here like really bad. Alright, so, and this heat is not helping much. And I do drink a lot of water. I only drink water, but I probably don't drink enough water. So I'm sure that's something that I need to work on. I don't know. I gotta do something. It's time for me to take this seriously. If you haven't watched that video, my big dashboard layout plan with me, go watch that video, and I tell you like my exciting emergency room visit from Friday that literally scared the bejesus out of me. So I'm trying to get my priorities in order and do what I'm supposed to do to take care of myself. But anyways, yeah, that's like a whole situation in and of itself, that little scare that I had. Alright, so I think this is pretty much all I'm going to do for like florals and quotes. And I think I'm going to just take a little bit of this green washi. So this is I think an Amazon washi, but it has like little stars, little silver stars on it, if you can see those. I hope you can. But I think I just kind of want to do, I don't know, maybe, what do I want to do? Maybe just a little bit here and there, just to add a little bit of color to the spread throughout. We'll kind of just wing it and see what it looks like as I go. I may hate it and pull it off. We'll see. I have been known to do that before. Alright, so there, and let's just try a little bit up here. And what's really sucks for me is I don't cook on Friday and Saturday, so it's Sunday and I have to go in there and cook. And I'm so tired. I don't want to go in there and cook. Ugh. Not to mention it, like I said, it's 10,000 degrees out, and my poor little AC unit in my house just cannot keep up. So I think my house is like 76 degrees right now, and the AC is running full blast. So that's a whole nother situation all by itself. Your girl does not do heat. I almost feel like I need somebody to place an IV catheter. I should have told him to leave my catheter in on Friday so that I could just like run some fluids to myself in case I'm dehydrated. I don't know. Ugh. At least I was able to chuckle there. I don't think I even laughed in my last video. I just feel like poo. And I don't like feeling like poo. So I just lifted my quote up there so that I could lay my quote over top of that washi. I think this washi is like super cute, and it matches really well. And I do like the little sparklies in there, the stars. That's kind of pretty. So I think I might just do every section in this green washi. Just because I can. Gotta try a little something different. I think I'm going to do a classic vertical mock-up, or maybe a big, I don't know yet. I think that'll be my next video that I film. Probably only going to have about 3 videos for y'all this week. Just because it's so hot. So hot. And this air conditioning is so loud, and I do apologize. I didn't want to buy a brand new one, so my son had a friend of his that was selling it. We only paid like 80 bucks for it, so it's not like new, top of the line, super quiet window unit. So, but those are like $300-400. So for $80, and for me to stay cool and deal with a little bit of noise, I'm good. I'm good with that. Hopefully you guys can bear with me on it. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with needing heat in the wintertime. I told Kevin I would worry about that when it got here, because it doesn't really get that cold here, honestly. And I do have a little space heater, a couple of little space heaters that I could stick in here like under my desk, and I can bundle up. I would much rather be cold than hot any day, any day. Okay, so now I should have laid my washi down first, but let's just see. And let me just go ahead and add, this is my new clear sticker paper, and it is the bomb, y'all. Look at how easy this is peeling up. It's not ripping my pages, and the colors are much more vivid on this sticker paper than they were in the old one. So, yeah. I do have a little bit of the old one left that just in, I'm not using it to print any new stickers, but I do have like a back stock of some of my stickers. So if you order something, you may get a mixture of new and old clear sticker paper. I apologize, but I don't want to throw it away. The clear sticker paper in and of itself is very expensive. It's my most expensive sticker paper. So yeah, I can't just throw it away. But I apologize if you get some and you don't like it. I mean, I guess you could always, like, so let's just say if you have a preference to the new paper versus the old paper, you could always put a note on your order to tell me to use new paper. That way I won't send you any of the old paper or old sticker paper, pre-printed, pre-cut sheets. I'll go ahead and just make some new ones for you. If if that's something that you want, I can definitely do that. But I really love this new sticker paper. Alright, y'all, this is super cute. And this is so simple. I have so much room to still write, and this is just, I don't know, I love this. I love, love, love it. So I kind of wish I'd have moved that quote up a little bit. I'm going to try it. Let's put this new clear sticker paper to the test and see. Look how easy this is. Oh my gosh, I ripped it, but that's okay. It's not ripping my page. Not at all. I cannot believe this. Yes, this is definitely a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I guess I'm starting to feel better now. I'm making corny jokes. Alright, so now I want to move it up just a tad. So this is actually the sticker paper. If you remember in my May birthday sale when I said my clear sticker paper was, or my sticker paper was defective, this is the sticker paper. So this is a new vendor, and I had to go through like a whole rigmarole to get clear sticker paper that would feed into my printers, and now they've got it. They know, and they got it right. They replaced my order, and I am so glad I stuck with them, because I was honestly just about to throw in the towel, and I'm glad I gave them the opportunity to make it right, because I love their paper. Alright, so what do y'all think? This is a pretty simple, short and sweet and to the point video, but I am super happy. I am ready tomorrow to go ahead and just start journaling in here. So with that said, y'all let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you have gone to my website, thepleasantlyplanned.com. Scroll down to the bottom, put your email address in, and subscribe to receive emails so that you can get special, very special coupons for different holiday sales and such. And if you have an Instagram account, follow me over there as well. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.